So I've always wondered, how do pharmaceutical companies like come up with their prices for their products?
Let me explain that. Give me your watch.
There you go.
Thank you. So a regular company will figure out the cost of every piece of your watch. So let's say it's $5,
Okay.
right? They'll go out and they'll sell it for $10, right?
True.
The distributor will make a profit, etc. And that's for everything. Cell phone cost the manufacturer $200, they sell it for $500, right? Pharmaceutical companies, they have a very nasty way of setting their prices.
Oh yeah. How so?
They actually want a cut of your work for their drugs.
A cut of your work, like a paycheck?
Like a cut of your paycheck. So let's say a pharmaceutical company came up with a drug that allows you to safely work for 2 full days without a rest.
Okay.
Right? So you could basically double your salary
Yeah.
if you work twice as much, right? So they'll say, okay, on average, someone earns $80,000 a year, but now with my drug, they're doubling their salaries. So even if that pill costs $1, they'll say, hey, I want a cut of those extra 80 grand.
So they don't base their prices around cost.
No.
They base their prices around how much benefit they give you.
Exactly. So that $5 pill now all of a sudden costs $20,000.
Wow. But what about like stuff like allergy pills and stuff like that?
You know, so let's say they actually have, you know, very smart people figuring this thing out. So they'll go something like, they'll get a statistical financier and they'll say a person with allergies misses 2 days of work a year, right? And they'll go, okay, so that person earns $500 a day. So that person's actually missing out on $1,000 per year.
Yeah.
Right? So they'll say, okay, I want 20%. My pills should cost $200. So lo and behold, you divide $200 by 12 months, and a bottle of allergy pills is $20.
That's true. I actually never knew about that. And I'm sure a lot of people also have always wondered, how do they come up with those prices?
Exorbitant prices.
Because you would think that their prices is so high. The first thing you think is, oh, their cost, their manufacturing cost must be very high also.
Nothing to do with it.
And there's always like this, not really like a myth, but usually people think, oh, it's all the research and development they put into it.
Nothing to do with it as well. It's all about how much money they can get out of you for being healthy. One more reason, you know, to stay healthier.
Yes, be preventive in case of instead of being sick and having to pay a lot.
Exactly. So get healthier.
Get higher.